The Voice Vista Podcast, venture by Pooja Prasoon.
Welcome to The Voice Vista. This is Life Unfiltered, a candid podcast with Tushar Patwardhan.
Discover the wonders of Leh Ladakh, where majestic mountains, crystal clear lakes, and ancient monasteries await your exploration. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure filled with breathtaking scenery and serene moments that will stay with you forever, is all that I had kept hearing since childhood. But when you plan for a marathon, there comes a different picture in limelight. And that is because difficulty in breathing because of high altitude makes it tell you what. Topic for today is Ladakh Marathon, conquering altitudes and challenges. I've been running for more than 10 years and done more than 15,000 kilometers of running. And as any sport goes, one prepares bucket list of events. Amongst many, this Ladakh, the Leh City Run, was topping it. And since I had completed few dozen marathons, it was sort of high time that I take up this marathon. Registered for it and had heard about its challenges, which only make things want to do it. Tried getting few information about for preparing what to do, because the problem that I was facing and was going to face was I am at low altitude and I was going to run at high altitude. I was suggested wearing a mask and run. हाँ यार वो कोरोना वाला mask, exactly something. I did buy a mask, but running with that mask was really uncomfortable. One thing for sure, I was not going to take this lightly. And typically, when so many, in fact without exception all, telling you breathing वहाँ पे बहुत difficult है, तो भाई फिर क्यों मस्ती करनी? For me, journey is always important during any preparation of marathon. So, when it comes to Leh Ladakh Marathon, it is obviously going to be extra efforts. Here, I was going to face unseen, unexpected challenges, making run more difficult. Normally, we practice on flat surfaces and run on flat surfaces. Or at the most, I have uphill, downhill portions where again you have some areas in Nashik or around where you can go and practice. But what am I going to practice for oxygen-less atmosphere? It's not there in Nashik. So tried doing something with mask but didn't work out, so I left it for the day. Prepared hard, day comes, me and my wife, who also happens to be taking part in the marathon, we both get down to Leh City. Getting down from plane was the first step. We realized that लोग जो बता रहे थे, you become breathless, क्या चीज होती है. We couldn't get down off our plane easily. It was one step at a time and then again wait for a few seconds and then again come down. First day was horrible. You try to, you get one step into your hotel or anywhere else and then you're breathless. रुक जाइए, you gain your breath back and then keep walking. Third day comes, a bit acclimatized. I dare to step out. Thinking, थोड़ा सा run करके देखते हैं. And what a nightmare, I tell you. I could not even walk. It was like, God, what am I doing? क्या जरूरत है सब ये मस्ती करने की? I somehow managed to go back to the hotel. That's all my management was. Next 2-3 days were sightseeing. So Khardungla, Pangong Lake, Nubra Valley, and some exceptionally beautiful monasteries. Probably this visit to these great altitudes acclimatized me further. Run 5th day was good and my confidence was back. Event day comes and me and my wife start run. It was amazing running with those beautiful high mountains, snow-clad, and I cannot explain what beautiful things were there. It was experienced by itself and cannot be explained in words. Everything goes fine till last 5 kilometers. What happens then? Well, it's a steep climb. I take up walking to restore breathing back. With hardly 2 kilometers left comes a point where I cannot even walk. I have to stop completely. Thought starts fighting. Positive says, just 2 kilometers बाकी है, खींच ले यार. Negative says, मर जाएगा, रुक जा. Just live it, man. I close my eyes. Have deep breath. Ache in, ache out. Few more of them. What comes in my mind is hard practice that I've been slogging myself for last 1.5 to 2 months. And 2 months before that as well was a stronger practice period. All this comes in front of my eyes, and I decide to wait and not abandon the race. In next 2-3 minutes, things are better. My breathing has sort of come back to normal. I start walking. 1 kilometer gone and just 1 more kilometer left. And now with the finish line in vision, I can afford to sort of take a small steps for running as well. I finished strong. Medal has never been so good. I take it up and come back home with beautiful and rich memories. Friends, life is going to pose high magnitude challenges. One has to face them. But here, I will emphasize my serious practice which saw me through. Unseen things, as I had mentioned earlier, were with last 2 or 3 kilometers balance and you can't walk and you still finish it off. It's about how much you are taking hardships and then any mammoth task is also conquered. Best part being, every such accomplishments only makes you more stronger and you attain higher and greater degrees of achievements. Now, as if half marathon was not enough, my next target at Leh is 73 kilometers Khardungla challenge. I need your wishes, boys. Thank you so much. By the way, when are you doing yours? I'm waiting for you to join me as well. Good day. Bye.
Thank you for tuning into the Voice Vista podcast. आप और भी इंटरेस्टिंग शो सुन सकते हैं thevoicevista.in पर। ये शो कॉन्सेप्चुअलाइज किया है पूजा प्रसून ने, प्रोड्यूस किया है द वॉइस विस्टा ने। गेस्ट कोऑर्डिनेशन में हमारे साथ रही सुनीता जी चौहान। डिजाइन किया है टीम क्रिएटर्स डेन ने। साथ ही एडिटिंग और प्रोडक्शन के लिए धन्यवाद टीम लर्निंग बी को। प्रोमो वॉइस दिया है राहुल ढोले ने। लाइक, फॉलो और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूले।